I just got back from Trader Joe's, and I know you like to see my groceries, so I'm gonna show you what I got. I'm so hungry. Well, it's like 1 o'clock, so I should be hungry because usually I have a smoothie before now, but I didn't. So I cannot wait to make one of my favorite salads, which is with this butter lettuce. I'm obsessed with this. It's so good. It's red and green butter lettuce. I love it. I'm gonna make my salad with that. And this is the vegan Caesar. The ingredients are pretty clean. A fresh avocado as your dressing is better, but sometimes you need variety. And I think this is a really good one for variety. And you can actually freeze them. So I got a whole bunch of them for the freezer. And also for the freezer, I got this. I love using this in soups. It's the organic corn and some wild blueberries. So I have blueberries from Costco, a whole bunch of them, but these are really better. They're really tiny and they have more of the anthocyanins and the antioxidants that you want when you're eating the blueberries. But the other ones still work too, but when I have access to these, I buy a few. And I got some peanut butter. I really like the, did I show you that there's a really easy noodle bowl that you can make with peanut butter? It's just some broccoli and the noodles, and you just stir some of this in, a little garlic. It's so quick and easy, and I love these easy things. And then I just got some, I got several of these actually, some garbanzo beans and some pinto beans. These are so cheap. They're $1, like $1.09, and they're organic. And I really like the dried ones better, but it's also good to have those because maybe you want to make something, you don't have time to soak the beans. So it's nice to have some cans on hand. Okay, there's something special in there that I don't normally get, so we'll save that one. I got a couple different things, but you've probably seen me with these over and over. My favorite, organic cauliflower, and I got some red peppers. I thought they weren't organic for a second. Try to always get organic with everything, but bell peppers, anything with a really thin skin, it's important. So I make cheese sauce with this, and then I like it on my salads. And here's some more. Look at these big cauliflowers. Aren't they beautiful? I love these. And they're organic, and they were like $3 something. But the price did go up. I noticed they were a little bit more than they were. It went up like 20 cents or something. And then we got some organic sweet onions. These are yellow. I like to cook with yellow, and then I like to put the purple ones on my salads. And I got a couple of these, the sweet potatoes. Costco has sweet potatoes, but they're really, really big. And what I've noticed is that they're not as good. Like the texture is not, they're stringy. And the little potatoes, I mean, it's more of a hassle to clean and everything, but they're better. I think they're better. So I got a couple of those. I got a bunch of these because they're $2. This is the ginger. I use this all the time. I freeze them, and then I put little nubs in my smoothies. Okay, this is a treat. So this is seasonal. This is the tea. I raved about this last year. I may have already talked about it this year. It's the Harvest Blend herbal tea. Trader Joe's doesn't have microplastics in their tea bags, so this is acceptable. And what I love about this is it gives you that hot apple cider vibe and the smell, the aromatherapy. You know, they stopped selling at Trader Joe's the unfiltered apple juice. I used to buy those big jugs of unfiltered apple juice, and then I'd put mulling spices in that and make my own hot apple cider. And they don't have it anymore. They have non-organic. So apples are funny. You really want organic apples too. Anyway, I'm gonna say that about everything, but there's certain things, you know, the Dirty Dozen. I don't know if apples are on the Dirty Dozen, I don't remember, because I think everything needs to be organic, but it used to be that when you heated that stuff up, it was equal to the components of rocket fuel, they used to say. I don't know if that was true, but if you look into it, they got some nasty pesticides, so you want to avoid that. Okay, so this tastes like a little bit like the apple cider with none of the sugar or calories or anything, and it's so good. So I bought like 10 of them to stock up because I like this all winter. And that's mostly what's in here. And then I got some, so Trader Joe's has these really thin rice cakes. That's the one I like, but they were out of them. So I got this kind. I like to put some almond butter and then some sliced apples, and I'll show you the apples. So it's these. It's the Cosmic Crisp apples. These are my favorite apples. I don't know what is so great about them. They're super sweet for one, but they just taste so much better than those ones I was getting at Costco. So I got 4 bags of these because they last forever. And I don't think I've ever had one go bad. And I eat apples almost every day. They're so good. And okay, I got some peanuts for portable energy. And I got like 4 of these because it's organic. Corn's another one. It's a GMO crop, always get organic. And so it's like $3 for this, and these last me a really long time. I put them in the air popper and I enjoy it while I'm watching my movies. And I got, for something different, I got pistachios. These are raw pistachios. I think the pretty green color looks good on salads and stuff, so I'm gonna try just for variety. Okay, here are the purple onions. These are awesome on salads, full of anthocyanins, sulfuring compounds. They're really good for you. Who is it that says you should have it every day? Furman, I think. Greens, berries, onions, mushrooms, beans. I don't 100% subscribe to it, but I inadvertently do it. Yellow potatoes. These are my favorite because they're so creamy. And then I got some red grapes as a special treat. And this is just more of the same. So the things that I got that were different, I thought I would try this peanut satay sauce for my Thai stuff that I make. It's not organic, I don't like that, but the ingredients, pretty good. They're okay. So I thought it'd be nice pantry thing to have on hand for like some tofu or some tempeh satay. And then I thought I would try this. They have this every year, Rooibos pumpkin spice tea. So I thought I'd try this for the season. So yeah, ta-da! That's my groceries. I'm so excited. I'm really, really hungry, so I'm gonna make a salad. You see me make this salad so many times, but I'll make it and then I'll show it to you at the end. It's that same one. So I'll see you in a minute. Okay, sorry for the noise. That's the air fryer with the tofu in it, but I just wanted to show you something. I don't recommend this. Do you know why? These. It smells so good too. It smells wonderful. I thought it was loose leaf, but it's not. They come in these little nylon bags. You know what this has in it, right? So that's what it looks like. I'm so bummed. Yeah, no, we're not going to be drinking this. I'm not taking any chances with the microplastics. When you heat these up, stuff goes into the water. This is just what I've read. Do your own research. But this is what I've read, and maybe I'll try to link. I don't really want to talk any crap about Trader Joe's because they're my favorite store, and I was really surprised when I opened this and saw those, because they totally know better than that. So I wish they would do the same tea, just loose leaf, because then, I mean, almost all my tea is loose leaf, but they did tell me there's no microplastics or any kind of plastics in the other tea bags that they have, so kind of side-eyeing that now, but you can see the nylon, so no on this. And I'll be back with my salad. You have to read the fine print to see that they came in sachets, but sorry about that. No on that for me. Okay, so this took like 5 minutes to make. This is my beautiful salad. And it's been so long since I had this salad dressing. It's like a real treat. And I'm just gonna go eat this. I'm not even gonna put my food away until I'm done because I'm so hungry. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is. And it's pretty cheap too. So I hope you're doing great. I hope you leave me a comment. Tell me what you like at Trader Joe's. Do you know about something that's gluten-free and vegan that I need to be buying that I don't know about? I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.